Hey everyone! Gana here and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of swiping and judging people by their fish photos? It's exhausting, right? But meeting people doesn't have to be all about apps. Today, we're talking about finding real, three-dimensional humans offline. Forget endless scrolling. Let's build real connections, whether you're looking for romance or just a solid friend to help you move a couch. This isn't about quick flings. It's about finding your people, your community, your squad. Yes, it's scary to step out from behind the screen, but trust me, the best things happen outside your comfort zone. We're diving into 30 places where you can meet amazing people in real life. Ready to stop scrolling and start living? Whether you want a new best friend or a future partner, these tips are for you. So get up, get out, and let's do this together. Your new adventure starts now. Are you with me? First up, volunteering. When you help out at a shelter, soup kitchen, or community garden, you're surrounded by people who care. You're focused on doing good, not impressing anyone, and that's when real connections happen. Conversations spark naturally while you work side by side. Do good, feel good, and meet good people. It's a win all around. Take a class, pottery, cooking, improv, whatever excites you. You're instantly in a room with people who share your interests. No need to be an expert. Learning together is a great icebreaker. Laugh at your mistakes, ask for help, and let friendships grow week by week. You'll gain a new skill and maybe a new friend. Join a club or community group, book clubs, hiking groups, board game nights, you name it. These groups meet regularly, so you build real friendships over time. It's about finding your people and sharing experiences beyond just one meeting. Search for local clubs and jump in. Your tribe is out there. Social hobbies like bowling leagues, dance classes, or choirs are perfect for meeting people. The activity gives you something to talk about and do together. No awkward small talk, just shared fun and instant memories. Friendly competition or teamwork builds strong bonds fast. Try a group activity and see who you click with. Group fitness classes, yoga, spinning, CrossFit, are mini communities inside the gym. You see the same faces, struggle together, and celebrate progress. That shared "we survived" feeling is a great way to connect. Strike up a chat before or after class and see where it leads. Join a local sports league, kickball, volleyball, soccer, whatever. Weekly games mean regular hangouts and instant teammates. Post-game food or drinks is where real friendships form. It's fun, social, and a great way to expand your circle. Prefer solo activities? Make them social. Run or bike at popular parks, join a running group, or sign up for a charity race. You'll see familiar faces and have easy openers like, "Is this your first 10K?" Shared goals make for easy conversation. Turn your solo passion into a group adventure. Meet people through your friends. It's classic for a reason. Go to parties, barbecues, or casual get-togethers, even if you're tired. Let your friends know you want to meet new people. They're your best wingmen. Museums and aquariums are perfect for low-pressure mingling. If someone's admiring the same exhibit, start a conversation. What do you think of this? Many museums host events designed for socializing. It's a smart, relaxed way to meet curious people. Coffee shops are community hubs. Become a regular. Smile, say hello, and chat about books, laptop stickers, or the long line. Small interactions can grow into real connections. Turn your daily routine into a chance to meet someone new. Farmers markets are vibrant, friendly, and full of conversation starters. Ask for produce tips or recommendations at a stall. Grab a coffee, people watch, and enjoy the atmosphere. It's a fresh way to meet people who love local life. Frequent a few local spots, cafes, bars, or restaurants. Sit at the bar or communal tables to invite conversation. Familiar faces become friends over time. Create your own cheers vibe where everyone knows your name. Libraries and bookstores are havens for book lovers. If you see someone in your favorite section, ask for a recommendation. Attend author events or book clubs for easy conversation. It's a guaranteed way to meet people who love to read. Art galleries, especially during openings, are designed for mingling. Use the art as an icebreaker. What do you think of this piece? Meet creative, expressive people in a relaxed setting. Even if you don't find the one, you'll have great conversations. Block parties, festivals, and community events bring everyone together. Volunteer to help out and you'll meet even more people. These events are perfect for making local connections. You'll be surprised how many friendly faces live nearby. Go to local concerts, open mics, or join a community band. Music creates instant connection and shared emotion. Chat with people before or after the show. Making or enjoying music together is a powerful way to bond. Community centers offer tons of classes and activities for all ages. Sign up for something that interests you and meet locals who want to connect. It's a low-key, welcoming way to make new friends. Parks are natural social spaces. Walk, smile, and greet people. Regular visits mean you'll see familiar faces. A simple, beautiful day, isn't it? Can start a conversation. Become a visible, approachable part of your neighborhood. Got a dog? Walks and dog parks are social goldmines. Other dog owners will chat with you. Dogs do the introducing, share stories, tips, and maybe set up puppy play dates. It's a lifestyle that naturally builds community. Try horseback riding. Group trail rides are unique and memorable. You'll bond over the experience whether you're a beginner or a pro. There's plenty of time for conversation and shared adventure. It's a story you'll remember, and maybe a friendship too. Wine tastings are relaxed, social, and perfect for mingling. Ask for opinions. What do you think of this one? Laugh, learn, and enjoy a classy way to meet new people. No expertise required, just curiosity and conversation. Love adventure? Try skydiving, rafting, or a trapeze class. High adrenaline activities create instant bonds with fellow thrill seekers. You'll share stories, laughs, and maybe a lifelong friend. It's unforgettable, and so are the people you meet. Join a professional association or networking group in your field. These aren't just for business, they're social too. Meet ambitious, like-minded people at events and happy hours. Build your career and your social circle at the same time. Go to a high school or college reunion. You'll meet the grown-up versions of people you once knew. Shared history is a great icebreaker. Reconnect, reminisce, and maybe spark something new. Your workplace is a natural place to make friends. Work on projects, share breaks, and bond over the daily grind. Part-time jobs in social settings are even better for meeting people. Put yourself where the people are. Travel is an amazing way to meet people from everywhere. Hostels, group tours, and walking tours are full of fellow adventurers. Where are you from? Is the universal icebreaker. Some travel friendships last a day, others a lifetime. Attend cultural events, festivals, parades, celebrations. Share food, music, and traditions with people who get it. Talk about your heritage or learn about someone else's. It's a warm, welcoming way to connect. Single parents, your kids are your secret weapon. Meet other parents at school events, playgrounds, or sports games. Bond over the joys and chaos of parenthood. Playdates are just as much for adults as for kids. If faith is important to you, your place of worship is a powerful community hub. Join social events, volunteer groups, or study classes. Meet people who share your values and beliefs. It's a place for deep, meaningful connections. Use online tools, Meetup, Facebook groups, event pages, to find real-life gatherings. The goal isn't more online friends, but real-world connections. Use the internet to discover events, then show up in person. The real magic happens face-to-face. That's it. 30 real-world places to meet amazing people. The key? Talk to everyone and do what you love. When you're having fun, you attract great people. Pick one idea from this list and try it this week. Don't wait. Get out there and explore. Your next friend or adventure buddy is out there hoping to meet you. Thanks for watching. Share your own ideas in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join us next time. Your adventure starts now. Go get 'em. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.